The first step was to remove the existing stock silencer that was on the bike. Then I found a steel pipe that I had that measured 35 millimeters on the outside, and I stuck it in the exhaust just to see how it would fit. Next, I cut out a steel tab that I would weld to the pipe, and this piece bolts to the frame. Here it is welded to the pipe. The welds look a bit rubbish, but that's alright, I guess. Afterwards, I got a can of engine enamel and painted it black. And that's it. After that, I just mounted it right to the bike.